So, back here on bills, 64.5, because that's what it is. It's not a 65, it's a 64.5. It's a mid-year model. I'm just being catty because one person wanted to comment on our videos and be bitchy about it. Anyway, so we replaced the janky rubber with the adapter because I got the correct flare adapter. So now we are nice and tight. OE. Yay! Hardline. Yay! All right. As soon as Scotty's done with lunch, wave Scotty. Scotty's on union brake. He's going to go back to continuing on our rear brakes, which we kind of want the brake part assembled today. We'll bleed it tomorrow because, well, we got to move this thing. We have lift work to do. Anyway, I got to do the exhaust too, probably Wednesday. So, bitchin'. Anyway, didn't mean to interrupt your union brake. Don't tell your rep. Oh.
You gotta start your brake over.
I know, right?
Gotta start it over.
Be quiet, Mr. Union truck driver back there.
By local 63 standards, you gotta start it over.
Yep.
Anyway, hardline. Nice. Looking good.